Okay, good evening, everyone. Our topic for today is all about wait. Okay, our our topic for today is all about factoring general trinomials. So when we talk about trinomials, so what do you mean by that? So from the word tri, so it means tulo. So there are three polynomials or three terms. So like for example, this one, this is the form of x squared plus bx plus c. So okay. Kasi may tinga mga nung walay a n eh. Tungod kay kaning letter a, b, and c, muna sila ang mga numbers or the coefficients. So kining a form of trinomials x squared so tungod kay only one lang. So obviously na siya one nga numerical coefficient. So when we factor general trinomials, mag-base ta sa sign or sa positive values ba siya or negative pa. Okay, so focus ni positive values for b and c. So x squared, for example, this equation x squared plus bx plus 4. So kung sa nato ning katasan ning kwaon ning kuan. Imagine nga wala pa ni siya. So tapos imagine nun nga wala pa ni sila. Okay, so from the equation x squared, so it means we have 2x. So dili x nga uya ba? X sa siya nga variable. So in factoring general trinomials, we have to find two numbers whose product is 4 and whose sum is 5. Okay. Anita mag-base sa kaning C, letter C sa equation which is kaning nasa tumoy, kaning walay variable or letter. So kani si 4, positive 4. So what are the factors of positive 4? So we have 2 and 2, di ba? So when we multiply 2 times 2, so our product is 4. And then our sum is kung ato na silang i-plus si 2 and 2. So our sum is 4. Okay. So ang atong ipangita is okay, the product of positive 4 but sum is positive 5. Kaning 5 is gikan ni siya ni kani the second term which is 5x, positive 5x. So kinahanglan nga ang atoang kung mangita tag duha ka numbers nga factor sa positive 4, kinahanglan nga ang sum is equals to 5, positive 5. So the other factors of positive 4 is 4 and 1. So when we multiply 4 times 1, the product is 4. And the sum is 5. So therefore, 4 and 1 are the numbers which will be our answer in fact or the factored form. So many positive 4 and positive 1. So we have to write here positive 4 and then positive 1. So Muna na itong answer, kani. Muna ni ang ato ang, wait, sahang. So, muna ang ato ang answer. Dali sila, i-underline. Okay. How we are going to check whether our answers are correct. So, diba? In checking, we have to use the FOIL method, or first, outer, inner, and last. So, okay, balik natin. Ito ang answer. So, dili ka ka-check kung wala pa kay answer. So, sa mga mong check ka, diba? So, kani. The first terms sa tuang factored form nga answered are kani si x, first ha, mag-una. Si x and si x. So, x times x equals to x squared. So, okay. Check ba si x squared? Yes, si x squared. Next, the outer. Outer means isig tumoy, isig nasa gawas. So, kani si x and si positive 1. So, dara. X and positive 1 is equals to x. So, dili ta magsuot og 1x ha, kay as what I have said last year ninyo, nga in every variable there is a numerical coefficient, which is 1, and a denominator of 1 and an exponent of 1. Okay, so next is the inner term. So the inner here is, can you see positive 4 and x? So 4 times x equals to 4x. So dili man sila common. So ato na sila itapad. So next is the last. The positive 4 and the positive 1. So positive 4 times positive 1 is equals to positive 4. So, we have to combine the outer and inner values to check kung sakto ba ang katwang naa sa middle term. Okay, our outer is x and our inner is 4x. So combine means we have to plus or subtract. Depende sa sign na. Okay, so they are both positive values man. So when we add 4x plus isa ka x, ang upat ko na ka x, dugangan ni mong isa ka x. So, pila naman tanan? So, 5x. So, therefore, our answer is correct. Okay, 5x man ang given, di ba? So, tama na. Okay, let's proceed to negative value of b and positive value of c. So, kung atong una, di ba, kay 4 mo to positive. So, karon na pod, kung ang c is positive, niya ang middle term is negative. So, lahat na sila nga. Nana po na twist gamay. Pareha po na. Makalilibog lang ganing sign. Okay, so we have to find two numbers whose product is 10. Obviously, positive 10, kay maumaya itong basihan si C. And whose sum is negative 7. Tungod kay maumaya ito ang middle term. Okay, these are the factors of positive 10. So, basig matinga mo, anong puro man negative ma'am, nga positive 10 man. So, sa kagingan ko na naanatan, di ba na naman tayo, nag-leksyon ta ni last year naman about science. Okay, so they have both negative signs. So when we multiply negative 10 and negative 1, the product is positive 10. So kung ako na silang i-add, so ma-add na to ni sila. Tungod kay naa sila pareha og sign. So they have both negative signs. So the sum is negative 10. Negative 11. Okay, next. So the other factors of positive 10 is -5 and -2. So when you multiply -5 times -2, the product is positive 10. And when we add them, so 5 plus 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, right? And then copy the sign, which is negative. So, mo na, -7. So, therefore, ano tayo nakita? -5 and -2 are the factors of this equation. Okay, ato na pang i-check. Kaya na po ni unequal method. So, obviously, the first terms are x times x equals x squared. The second term, the outer terms are x times -2 is equals to -2x. The inner is -5 times x equals -5. Then the last is -5 times -2 is positive 10. So when we combine the outer and the inner, so they have both a negative sign. So we have to add 2 plus 5 equals 7. Then copy the variable, which is x, and then of course copy the sign, which is negative. So diba, -7x, which is our given, -7x. Okay, let's proceed to negative value of 7. C. So kung naa na po tayo, kung negative na po kuno si C, so yung positive ang nasa sa middle term. Di mo na pa ito na. Ato sa ning i-disregard. Imagine na sa ninyo nga wala pa ning atong answer. Ani ha? Mo man ang answer. So, imagine na sa nang awa pa. Okay. We have to find two numbers whose product is -12 and whose sum is +11. Obviously, kay mo may itong given. Okay. The factors of -12 are -12 times 1. So, when we multiply -12 times 1, the product is -12. Pero kung ato ako na silang isum, and changes na sa may sum or difference. Magdepende ni sa sign. So, the sum or difference between these following numbers. Okay. So, 12 minus, mag-divide man, mag-subtract man ta. Tungod kay, dili man sila pareha og sign. Kani si -12 and +1. Dili man sila pareha. So, ato na silang i-subtract. So, 12 minus 1 is 11. Then, copy the sign of the larger value. So, kisa may dako nila og, not the larger value, I mean, the larger number. So, kisa may dako nila og number, di ba si 12? So, unsa may sign ni 12, which is negative. Yes, so ang atong dadon nga sign sa atong answer is negative. Okay, next. Ato sa naglatawan ng ikaduha nga factors kay. Obviously, mo man na answer kay mo magilinginan. So, okay, ano sa ta? 6 and -2. So, di ba factor magyapon siya sa -12. So when we multiply 6 and +6 and -2, the product is -12. So, kung ato na silang i-subtract, 6 minus 2 is 4, which is, ang atong gipangita is 11, +11, di ba? So, dili mao, it's wrong. Di siya sakto nga kuan, ng factor. So, next, si +12 and -1. So when we multiply +12 and -1, the product is -12. The difference is +11. Okay, mingon mo. Ma'am, dili ba na pareha na si -12 and 1 o si +12 and -1? No. So dili sila pareha. Kay depende sa sign naman ta magdaog, di ba? So, kinahanglan dito maglibog-libog. So, di ba, adra si 11. Kaya nag-check ko ba? Okay, nakita mo ang sa first and the last, di ba? Kay mo naman gyud na. So ari ta magdaog sa outer and inner. Kung mali na gani mong outer ug inner gani wrong gani mong answer. Okay, ari ta dito sa outer. The outer is positive x and negative 1. So which is the product is negative x. Dili negative 1x ha. X ra gyud. Okay, the inner is positive 12 and positive x. So when we multiply them, or when we multiply them, the product is 12x. So next gani pinakalas nga step. So combine the outer and inner values. So the outer is negative x gani. The inner is positive 12x. So they don't have the same sign. So we have to subtract. Basta mingon na ganit combine, put pasabutan na ang operation natin nga magamit na is it's either addition or subtraction. Magdepende sa sign. Okay, so dili mo sila pareha gani. So automatically mag-subtract ta. So 12 minus 1 is 11. Then copy the variable which is x, and then copy the sign of the larger number. Yes, not the larger value. So, running the pita, man si larger value, pero ato lang yan is the larger number. Okay, so sakto, di ba? So, let's proceed to the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So, nana si a. So, bot pa sa bot, dili ni 1. So, 2 pataas na ang ating numerical coefficients ani nga form. Okay, example. Factor 10x squared minus 43x minus 9. So, okay, there are many ways in factoring general trinomials. So, basig kita mo sa libro, napod sa libro man. And then, napod sa YouTube or sa Google. Pero, we have to be kuan nga kanang kinahanglan nga kaning way of solving factoring general trinomials kani yung sundon. Kaya naiuban ninyo nga nagamit og photomath. So which is wala mo sabtan. Though pala mo gyud answer. Pero complicated man to og kanang kuan solution sa manang kung dili ingani inyong solution. So walay or naiuban walay solution but pasabot ka photomath ra. Kinahanglan nga ingani gyud nga naay kaning since a equals 10 na value sa a and c, and then naay table so kinahanglan nga na ha. Okay, so we have to find the value of a, which is 10. So kani si a 10, and the value of c is negative 9. Then when we combine the value of a and c, the product is negative 90. So i-multiply ra na silang duha. So negative 90. Okay, na kalainan gamay ni sa unang form. Tungod kay dili man di ba ang unang form kay mag-focus sa man ta dito ni C. Kani is the product of A and C. So ni negative 90. So these are the values or the factors of negative 90. So negative 90 times 1 equals to 90, negative 90, di ba? Then the sum is 89, or sum or difference ni difference means subtraction. Okay, so unsa man nga difference ang ato ang gipangita, which kani si negative 12, negative 43. So dara ato sa ning nagtawon kay Obviously, mo may answer kay gilinginan man. O kanina po. So, negative 18 and 5. So, when we multiply 18 times 5, the product is 9 on negative 90. And then, the sum or the difference is negative 13. So, that's the difference kay dili mo sila parehag sign, di ba? Positive and negative. And then 10, negative 10 and 9. So, the difference is negative 1, which is dili ka na sakto sa to ang dili mo fit sa to ang example nga equation. So, tara, si 45, negative 45 and 2. So, when we subtract 45 and 2, so the difference is 43. Then, copy the sign of the larger number, which is negative. So, applicable na siya ni or maugid ni nga kung ano, dalaw, negative 43 man. So, therefore, the factors of kaning itong equation is 45, negative 45 and 2. Okay, next. So, nanapod taning mga combination. Okay, copy the 10x squared, which is the first term, plus. Okay, by the way, kasi matinga mo anong ka-plus ng tani nga negative maning given. Okay, ang atong factors kay negative 45 man. So, negative na daan. So, when we multiply negative and positive, so the product is negative. Dili bungkag. Kaya kung mag-negative tani anya, negative ang ito ang factor, then ito nang i-multiply, positive na siya niya, which is negative ba itong given. So, kinahanglan nga dili ma-change. Okay, nya, dara si 2x. Bitaw ibutangan itong x ha. And then bring down or copy negative 9 or which is the c. Then bring down na po mo sila. And then be careful with the parentheses or kaning mga brackets. Parentheses ani. So, imara silang i-group. And then, kani nga grupo kani si 10x squared minus 45x. Na sila common, di ba? Which is, kani si 10 divisible by 5, kani si 45 divisible by 5. So, kung naagani common, ato na silang kuhaan o common. The GCF, ha? Greatest common factor. So, pinakadako nilang ang common factor is 5. Dili man takaan o 45 kay 10 naman eh. So, 5. Igawa si 5. Dara si 5. Dara. And then, common po nila si x. So, ay sa nilabtin ninyo kaning akong gi-highlightan. Mag-focus sa taning unang nga kaning naka-enclose nga parentheses. Okay. Common sila ni x. So, igawas na po si x. So, ang nabilin or ating i-divide. So, itang sa tagsaon og divide. 10 divided by 5 is dara si 2. X squared divided by x is x. So, ataran silang i-subtract. So, x squared gani, minusan og isa ka x. So, pila naman nabilin? So, isa. Then, copy the sign, yung negative sign. Then, 45 divided by 5 is 9. Dara si 9. Then, x divided by x is 1. Kaya, di ba, ningon mga i-subtract. So, si x, ikuan mo isa ka x. So, 0 na. So, x raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Dili 0. So, mo na. Then, kani si pikas, kani nga grupo. So, nabay sila common. Wala, di ba? So, more ng kapion. Bring down. Charan, mo na ni. And then, ang imong answer is, okay, in answering, kani, ay sa nilabtin ninyo si 5x. Sorry sa tani, kani focus the first nga naka-enclose. 2x minus 9. And then the quantity times the quantity of si 5x, copy isod. Then kani nga sign plus, copy. And then 2x minus 9 mapod na. So, but pa sa bot, pareha ra sila ni una. So, plus 1. So, man na. That's the answer. So, nga naon ninyo pag answer ha. Dili kay mag-buot-buot. O, kung ano may uniform ta. Okay, so, mo na ninyo ang answeran. Factor the following and check your answers using the FOIL method. So, mo na kaning kinahanglan. So, you have to make a table. Gagmay ra gud ni table. Basta lang kayo makabasa ko. Then the checking. So next letter B is the factor. So aring ito ang form. So mali yung gamitin nga base. Okay, kung na may clay books, then you have to, you need to look for more examples. Just refer to pages 34 to 39 in your textbook. So, kinahanglan na atay libro ang daghan example. Okay. And then, ayaw sila ninyo cannot be factored. Okay. Ma-factor na siya ay kay wala nang gansiran. So, that's all for tonight and good day. Hinaut nga maka-answer mo.